Hello friends, are you one of those people who gets lost in the memories of BlackBerry? Remember those days, when having one of these phones in your hand was a whole different vibe? But then the world of smartphones exploded with Android and iOS, and BlackBerry got left behind. But now, the time has come to relive those golden memories. If you miss those days, we have some exciting news for you. BlackBerry is making a comeback in a new avatar, with its classic look but also some amazing, modern-era features. The most special thing is that it will have 5G along with BlackBerry's signature physical keyboard and a touchpad. What's so special about the new BlackBerry Key5 5G? So, without any further delay, let's give you all the information about the full features, price, and launch date of this new BlackBerry phone. Let's get started. Features of the BlackBerry Key5 5G. Display. This time too, you'll get BlackBerry's classic retro design. It will have a 4.5-inch LCD display, with a 120Hz refresh rate, which will make the screen even smoother. Along with this, its iconic physical keyboard, LED notification light, and classic BlackBerry style design will also be present. Camera setup. When it comes to the camera, this phone is second to none. It has a dual camera setup with a 110-megapixel primary camera, with OIS support. This will give you fantastic and crisp pictures. For selfie lovers, a 15-megapixel front camera is provided, so you can take amazing selfies. Performance. To power this amazing smartphone, the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor has been used. This is the same processor that is used in today's mid-budget phones. As for the operating system, it's expected to have Android, which will keep it ready for modern apps and games. Battery backup. This phone will not disappoint in terms of battery life either. You can expect to get a powerful 4600 mAh battery. The company claims that it can easily last for 2 to 3 days with normal use. And it will also have a USB Type-C charging socket. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the most important thing, its price and launch date. The estimated price of this phone could be around $490. As for the launch, it is expected to be introduced by the end of this year. How excited are you about this new BlackBerry Key5 5G? Let us know in the comments.